everyone, this is Dr. Imran Shafiq, American and Canadian board certified family physician, and today we will discuss some important topics. Other one is cholesterol levels. Again, cholesterol level or cholesterol panel includes different tests, which includes total cholesterol, LDL, which is your bad cholesterol, HDL, which is your high or good cholesterol, and the triglycerides. Again, sometimes आपके अगर ये level high हैं तो obviously you have to do some management for that. But sometimes अगर आपके levels normal भी हैं, but these tests help us to estimate your cardiovascular risk in 10 years. So we have to measure the cardiovascular risk estimate for 10 years depending on your age, smoking history, any diabetic or hyperblood tension history. अगेन अगर आपका कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल्स हाई हैं तो ऑब्वियसली आप अपने डॉक्टर से बात करें और अपने कोई मेडिकेशन अगर आपने स्टार्ट करनी है या फिर आपने कोई लाइफस्टाइल मॉडिफिकेशन करनी है टू कंट्रोल दैट. बट अगेन इन सम केसेस ऑल्दो योर लेवल्स आर नॉर्मल बट योर risk to get cardiovascular events in 10 years are high, we have to start a medication or start some lifestyle modifications. Other is kidney function. Kidney function is a part of a lab test of BMP or CMP. It tells us how good your kidneys are in filtering waste. Sometimes अगर किसी को अर्ली किडनी इश्यूज चल रहे हैं, किडनी फेलियर की तरफ जा रहे हैं या किडनी डिजीज की तरफ जा रहे हैं, so lab values don't show that much changes. They can be normal but again they can be higher than your base level. That's why मैंने अपनी पिछली वीडियो में डिस्कस किया था कि only normal levels does not mean you're fine. You have to follow the trend कि अगर आपका creatinine और आपका GFR आपके base level से high या low जा रहा है, so it can point towards like there is something wrong as they're going towards like chronic kidney disease or CKD issues. But again, every monitoring of that test like 6 months, 12 months is fine to check how healthy your kidneys are. Other is liver function test, which is the part of your CMP test as well. So अगर आपने अपना liver function test check कराए हैं or if the levels are normal, great, wonderful. But if levels are abnormal, that does not mean or that does not automatically impose that you have liver disease. Because बहुत सारी medications ऐसी होती हैं जो कि आपके liver enzymes को high कर सकती हैं. कुछ certain infections हो सकते हैं जो आपके liver enzymes को high कर सकते हैं. और इसके अलावा अदर बॉडी सिम्टम्स, अगर आपके किडनी का इशू है, अगर आपके स्प्लीन का इशू है या अगर अदर कॉजेज में आता है, अगर आपका कोई जीआई इश्यूज है तो वो कंडीशंस भी आपके लिवर एंजाइम्स को हाई कर सकते हैं. सो अगेन normal levels are great, but if you have any abnormal levels, it has to be investigated more. Talk with your doctor to do the investigations. Because of that, go through your medication list कि कोई medications हैं जो ये levels cause कर रही हैं और other conditions हैं in your body जो अभी आपको symptoms present नहीं हो रही है लेकिन liver function tests are abnormal, so that tell us like okay there is something wrong related to the liver. Follow for more tips.